room with its empty halls? Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real-life people. It'll be totally strange. But why am I so ready for this change? For the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'd be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that zone. For the first time in forever, I will be alone. Tonight imagine me gown and doll, fetchingly draped against the wall, the picture of sophisticated grace. I suddenly see him standing there, a beautiful stranger, tall and fair. I wanna stuff some chocolate in my face, but then we laugh and talk all evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like the life I've led so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. For the first time in forever, I could be noticed by someone. And I know it's totally crazy to dream I'd find romance for the first time in forever. At least I got a chance.
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be.